Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really excited for you. I'm going to be doing my Croatia Day 9 vlog. So this is going to be the last vlog, sadly. And luckily, we're going home before the quarantine comes in. Because the quarantine comes in Saturday at 4 AM and we get back before that. So that's really, really good. But yeah, I'm just going to vlog the daytime, basically. So yeah. We're going to the Waterfalls today. I can't actually remember. It's like the national park. I can't remember what it's exactly called. But yeah, we're by it's from this little vintage thrift store. It's a bit small here for me, like it needs to come down here. But it's a little Ralph Lauren towel dress. And yes, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Right, I'm gonna put my GoPro on because obviously I'm going to the Waterfalls. And I want to film in the Waterfalls. We're actually going on like a special trip, and we might see Katie and that again today, so that's very, very exciting. I'm just screwing this in. Oh, this dress is so cute. Okay, so we're going on our coach soon. The pigeon's really different here. I'm really excited. I actually don't know where we're going. Can I show them the top of your pink hair? Alice did her hair pink, looks really cute in the French plaits. Oh, right, no. Okay.
Yeah?
So first I'd like to present you the team that will take care of you for the next several hours. So next to me we have our driver Ivica, and Ivica will make sure that you're all fine and safe through our journey, that the driving is smooth and that we all get up there on time. My name is Ljubo, and I will make sure that you have all the necessary information about Krka, our tour, also all technical details about our tour, so things like meeting point, meeting time, and similar details. So first, we need to drive for a bit more than 1 hour to reach town of Stradi. And there in Stradi, we will get the tickets, and with tickets we go on the boat. And on that boat ride will last about 25-30 minutes, depends on the boat we get. And once we get off the boat, we will be inside the inner area of National Park, or the Waterfalls area as they call it as well. And over there, first you will have a guided tour. So there I'll explain you about the waterfalls, what materials are, what it's made of, what's the story of human influence on Krka. So there will be some kind of power plants that were built over there, and also one village up there. On the top of the waterfalls, where they used water energy for milling, sawing, and water hammers, rolling mills. And after the guided tour, of course, you will have lots of your own free time. You can do plenty of things up there. First, you can finish the circle around the waterfalls. And when you finish the circle, you will be at the swimming area. The aqueduct was built at the same time as the Ecclesia's Palace in Split. Of course, it was built to supply the palace with water. And most of that aqueduct is underground, but some parts are visible above, like the one that you will see right here behind this billboard in front of us. So just concentrate on the right side and you will see for 5-6 seconds. So right here, it is next to us. So after 1700 years, still standing.
1700 years. If you didn't know, guys, Game of Thrones was filmed here. I mean, I haven't watched it, but yeah.
So far as the city changed the liberty the slaves, or when she entered the city for the first time, and later when she gets Mossango executed in the city. It's all happening up there on the fortress. However, some other things are occurring, like inner city streets, where there was a dungeons, where the net is captured for dragons. That's happening in Split, in the Ecclesia's Palace. And also there is one more place in the city of Bravos, which is down in the base surrounding the Split. One small town next to Split called Krka. There is that bridge that connects both fortified part of the town between, and over that bridge, Audience staff used to pass on the boat as she enters
We are getting on a boat now, are we? I don't know. This is our meeting spot. Go. Everyone go to follow Alice's TikTok, Alice_Till. She's very good at doing TikTok. Look at this really cute old Mercedes. She's got this little fruit, and I felt bad, so I took her menu to her restaurant. Yeah, pretty.
It's madness.
Okay, quick, we're gonna get lost. Not to be dramatic, but I love playgrounds so much. I could spend a whole day having fun in there. I love them. Oh, this is really cute. Oh. That's really embarrassing. Oh, I love these little stalls. You?
Not really.
Don't be mean. Oh, there's a pink house, but you can't really see it. And this is so nice. This is a really big boat. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, are we getting on that? Oh, I better cut out. So
Mommy, can I have a mark?
I wish you couldn't keep putting. Thank you. Oh, this is really cute. Wow, that is beautiful. Look.
Yeah.
At least show that boat, Alice. At least show that boat. We're going on a boat now to the waterfalls, which is exciting. Can we go up? Yeah, there will be. Alice. Oh, you might as well sit. We're leaving.
I wouldn't ask to stress them.
Is that even a swan? Oh yeah.
We're in the Caribbean.
Well, that boat's nice. There's a ton of people. Getting off now. It's my mum and dad. This is really cute. Oh, it's boiling. Fishies, little fishies. I honestly feel like I'm on a school trip. Do you?
Yeah.
Little Ashen Bankwood. Quick guys. Ali. He's taking us on a little tour. It's really bright and it's so hot today. Is that someone's house? Bradley, is that someone's house?
Oh.
Why? Oh, mummy. Look. Oh, that's got lots of souvenirs in.
Souvenir corner.
Oh, this is really cute. It reminds me of Alton Towers when you walk through
It does
the
actually,
do you know what I mean?
Yeah, it does actually, yeah. But you can't find the roller coaster.
Oh look, I wish they were open. They're really cute. Oh, I really fancy that fruit as well. Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's open. Can we
that
stop?
one here. This looks like I don't know what that looks like.
I don't think it is. It's a fruit shop.
The haunted house.
Sure. Sweet corner. This is like a fairy tale little village, isn't it?
Yeah. Smurfs or something?
Smurf village.
That was a good one.
Gorgeous. Alice is a dog.
There's a dog.
Yeah, look there.
Sausage.
Imagine Chip running. Imagine Chip in the waterfalls.
That is so pretty.
Oh yeah. This is close Roxy. What? In helicopter.
Pretty clear. Bradley, go.
Alright, then I'll find it.
Oh, it's beautiful.
That's lovely. Isn't it?
Yeah.
They just want to make you jump off the top. And onto a big sharp rock.
Oh. This is actually the last year you can swim in the the actual waterfalls, because they're closing it for swimming because because to like preserve nature. Okay, so we're having to drink out of this water fountain like we are in the 1700s.
Oh,
so that's
God.
good. Yeah. Looks so nice. There's. Are you joking?
Oh, flip. Oh.
Oh, it's not even open. I haven't ate anything all day, guys. We're going to a blacksmith's workshop.
A what?
Apparently a blacksmith's workshop. Oh, look, it's really up. Oh.
Okay, so right now we are in front of blacksmith workshop. Blacksmith back then, and we are talking about the late 16th, early 17th, 18th and 19th century, was one of the most important people in the village. Not only because of his metal shaping skills, but also when you're in the village and you don't have access to doctor or dentist, you go to the blacksmith. So if you have some wound and it needs to be healed, he will press hot iron against it to kill any germs in it. Of course, if you don't have any penicillin or any antibiotics, you've seen it in the movies 1,000 times. So when a warrior after battle is wounded, they will press hot iron on wound to kill any germs in it. And of course, with his tools, he was able to pull out teeth. So again, we are talking about remote villages that didn't have access to those kinds of services like doctor and dentist. But of course, the most important thing that he did was shaping various stuff out of metal over here with the furnace and the bellows. So the bellows are made of skin and wood and are designed to press air inside this system. With these devices here, you control how much air actually gets inside. And right now, this is not ignited, but you will see some ash and dust rising. There you can see. And when the fire is ignited, I would have to do this for several minutes to reach the temperature of some 700 to 800 degrees Celsius. That's temperature needed to make iron workable. Workable means that iron is soft enough that I can shape it here with hammer and anvil. And it would be, of course, bright orange color, not like this. After that, you cool it down here in water and put it back here in the furnace. Now, one of these steps over here is not correct, and it's this part over here. Here they are using water to cool down iron. In Hollywood movies and any other movie, not only Hollywood, you will see that they make some sword or helmet and then they cool it down in water. That's not correct. Iron, water makes iron brittle, it makes it weak. Actually, you would have to use oil. Now, why they use water in the movies? Mostly because of spectacle. Because water produces lots of fumes and air bubbles and sounds. That's a bit more spectacular, that's the only reason. Here they have one additional reason, and that's your own safety. So imagine if you have a hot piece of iron and you put it in oil over here to cool it down, it will just splash all of you over there. So you'll get nasty burns. So of course they are using water here. They're not using anything that will be in practical use, so it doesn't matter that it's poorer quality. It's well known for its quarries and stone, and you will see lots of hammers like this next to houses. Even today, some stone cutters use hammers like this. And of course, most of these things are not made in some small workshops like this anymore. Instead, we have big factories that make stuff for us. But what we do have is an important part of our culture, tradition, our surnames. So, if you are from an English-speaking area, like some of you are, you definitely know somebody with surname Smith, or Schmidt in Germany, or I don't know, Herrera in Spanish, or Fabri in Italian. If you know some people of Slavic origin, and their surname is Kovac, Kowalski, Kuznetsov, is the same thing. So Kovac is a pretty popular surname over here in Croatia, and also this job. So the person working here is Kovac. So Kovac and Smith is basically the same surname, you can see. Okay, now if you have any questions about this,
This is the, God knows.
When you pass around Waterfalls, you will see lots of wildlife. First, you will see lots of fish. 90% of that fish is a trout over here. Next, you will see lots of birds. Some ducks, you can see them right there in front of you. And some swans as well in the lower parts of the river. Now, you will hear lots of frogs. But frogs are smart, they will hide, you will not see them. So you have to be extra careful to actually see a frog. And sometimes, like right now, actually there are two of them.
Yeah.
So right over here,
wow.
you will not see it there, but right here, you have two snakes right in front of the fence.
Do you reckon they're poisonous?
Probably.
That just looks like moving rope.
It does, don't it? Oh, it's two, look.
Oh yeah. I wonder if they're lovers. Lovers or brothers.
Oh, it's a model of a horse with a thing. Oh, a donkey. Oh, look, it's real Alice. It's frozen it with ice. I'm joking, it's not. I want to listen.
So, this place over here was sort of first station for a farmer when bringing his grain here for the mill. So a farmer will bring all his grain here in the cart pulled by a donkey, and while the donkey takes some rest, eats some food from that place over there, farmer and mill owner make a deal. You need to pay for milling, but you don't pay with cash. Instead, you will make a trade, so you will give him a certain percentage of your product. And if you brought 300 kilograms of corn in this cart, you will give 15, 20, 25% to the mill owner. Depends on quality of your grain, the amount that you have, how long it will take to mill all of that. Okay, so this is where it all happens. First, they would put all the grains of corn, barley, wheat, or some other grain inside this box. And with this piece over here, you manage how fast it drops inside the system. And as the stone is spinning, it will cause vibrations on this stick. As it vibrates, it will enable constant flow of grain inside the system. Now, as the stone is spinning, of course, centrifugal force will spread it around below itself.
Oh, Alice, look. Oh, the little fish.
Aren't they? What's that?
Oh, it's so pretty. Well, where are you going to get in? I think there's a flatter way over there.
No, I want to go like over there.
No, you'd be waiting all day. That looks a bit dangerous there. Oh, look at that. It's so lovely.
Hang on, ready?
I think there's an easier way down there. Look, round there, it's flatter.
Now it's just going that way. I don't think it's going to work.
Yeah, it's too dodgy. Come round here. Oh, I can't wait to get in there. I'm so hot. I bet it's freezing. Just jump in. Oh, is it cold? Don't you want to take it in? Oh. It's okay.
Right, so I'm actually really annoyed because I was going to film like loads in the waterfall and I couldn't because I forgot to put my bloody SD card in my GoPro. Oh, so annoyed. But we met up with Katie and that, and it was really lovely. But
Laughing. It's like you're having a conversation, but it goes on way too.
it's like you're meant to end it after one, but you have to say like 8 things after it.
None of them make sense.
That did make sense. What? All right then. I'll go.
Why is he still got it on his
I'll
head?
go for it, right? You see, that's nice. That bridge. It's got all the ivy or whatever it is, plants.
Yeah.
And I went, yeah.
Mate.
No, No, and
Well,
then,
you went, yeah.
No, there's calls, and then I said to you, well, it'd be good if all British were like that. It'd hide the graffiti.
Yeah, and it should have ended then. He started going, people in Britain would have come with their clippers. Clip people like Nanny Rose.
Yeah, I know, mucking about.
It should have
And I
ended.
also said,
No, come on.
I wouldn't take it, I wouldn't plant it on every bridge.
No.
Because some of the graffiti is very nice.
Oh, I didn't even hear that one. Bye.
I think I want to get in there when I heat up.
Let's sit on the sunbed.
There's still a bit of sun here.
Yeah. We are making the last moment of holiday. Sitting on the sunbeds. Yeah, it's quite sunny here. Oh right, I'm going on this boat here. Are you jumping straight in?
No, I want to jump in the room.
I'm getting this angel thing. Oh god. It's not actually that cold. It's not as cold as I thought. What? Hang on. No. Hang on. I got Bradley salted. No, hang on, take your teeth thing. No, no. Yeah. Ready? No. Nice try. Jump in. Oh, it's off! Oh no, it is. There goes filming now. How do I turn the camera around so then I can see what I look like? That's a bit stupid. No, don't! What? You got an SD card in it? I did. Dry off. There's water in it. Okay, so this is tonight's outfit. It's from Bronzes. It's really, really cute. So yeah, it shows every lump and bump on me. But yes, whatever I eat, I'm so excited to eat. We've seen our favourite dog. Alice hasn't met him yet. Putting my dress down low so I can get down low for the dog. I'm gonna have a panic attack. I'm gonna have a panic attack.
What if it's not excitable today?
Oh wow. Oh my god.
Shut up, somebody you extreme.
Oh my god. I can't help it. Oh. Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello, so cute. Do you think he remembers me?
Hello again. Hello.
There you go. Oh. Hello. Oh, you're so hello, gorgeous. Oh.
Go, Lilo, with your slippers.
Oh. I want this dog. Come here. He
really likes
oh, look. Oh. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. He's obsessed. Oh, she.
Is it a girl or a boy? Is it girl or boy? Name?
Name?
Yeah.
Billy.
Bill.
Oh. Hello. Hello, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Hello. Oh, hello.
Oh.
Take a picture quick. Oh.
Get down now.
Go on then.
Billy.
Oh.
Billy. Croatian color.
Hello.
English white.
Did you get a picture of him?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
High five. High five.
White. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, hello. Really cute.
He's so friendly, isn't he?
Come on. Hello.
So friendly.
Oh. Oh.
He's trying to get right up on you.
You're really excited. Oh, he gave me his paw. Oh, look. Come here. Come here. Look, Bradley, look. Hello. I want to spend all day. Oh. Come here. Come here.
So excited.
Oh. Come here. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Okay, let's go. Come. Thank you so No, they haven't got any pasta. I don't. We want to go back to the restaurant last night, but Alex is being difficult.
It doesn't have pasta. I like this one. I've seen him. I went to see him with Neil. I can't even remember his name. What's his name, Bradley?
Okay, so that is the end of the Croatia vlogs. I really loved it there. The people were so sweet. Like, I've never gone to a country where literally everyone's nice. Honestly, I was shocked. I'd never even like thought to go to Croatia before, but it was like one of the only places you didn't have to quarantine, and luckily we just missed out on the quarantine, thank God. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed my next. I've got Barcelona in November, I've got Milan in January, and hopefully I'll book another one maybe in October, but I don't know yet. My hair's knotty. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I love you all.